How to complete daily challenges in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to complete the daily challenges super fast on your phone. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the home screen, you can see the option of Mission. Tap on it. Select Mission. Here you will see your daily challenge. Usually, the challenge asks you to collect letters that spell a word. Start your run and keep an eye out for the floating letters above the tracks. Jump, roll, or move side to side to collect every letter. You don't have to get them all in one run. You can keep trying until you finish. And that's it. Once you grab all the letters, you will get your prize. Usually, coins are keys. And this is how you complete your daily challenge. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.